What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump straight back into ICPZ. All right, now yesterday we entered the ICP long at $8.30, and currently we are now up a grand total of 4%, guys. So with the leverage, that could be between 20 and 44.7%. Do you guys think we should keep this open longer? We're going to check our trading view at the end of the video to see exactly where we're expecting ICP to go in the short term. But before we do that, I want to give all of you guys a perspective check. Now, there's been a lot of crying and whinging and moaning like a little bitch over the past 6 months, which I understand because a lot of you guys, you got in either late in this cycle, maybe you got in this year, and all you've really seen is downside. Okay, now have you really seen downside? If we go and compare the year that we're in now, the halving year, to the past 2 halving years, in 2020 we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green months. Now we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our 6th green month for this time around, guys. Pretty much, you know, the first half of the year was super bullish. Okay, it was super bullish. Everybody who got in early last year was winning. Everybody who bought Bitcoin was winning. It's just now, you know, seeing a -6% and a -8%, people can't hold on because of the time frame, guys. This time in 2020 we were down 7%. This time in 2016, you know, we'd just been through 2 consecutive -7% months, guys. So a bit of a perspective check. We're actually doing better than what we usually would. Doesn't mean that we won't find some resistance, guys, because we are coming up to the upper area of resistance at this falling wedge. Once we do start to break out, going to be super bullish. Are we going to break out at this 1, 2, 3rd try, or are we going to come down and print one more cycle low? It looks like we're printing triple bottoms all over the shop, guys. Maybe you just don't want to look at the charts. Maybe you don't want to really zoom in and say, what's the price? What's the price? You just want to say, is it a good time to be DCAing in to Bitcoin and to our altcoins now? Well, the answer to that is yes. Historically, on the rainbow chart, every time we've been in this purple to blue zone, what has that indicated? A fire sale, a buy time, or basically nearly an accumulation. We are in a buy. We're basically just above a fire sale, guys. So again, I mean, there's going to be a time where we go back through all of the videos and we go and we say, look, all of these people who were scared had no reason to be scared, and it was so obvious. What's going on next week, guys? Token 2049. Feels like so weird that like it's come round so quick. I remember the last 2049. Look at all of the partners that are going to be there, guys. Bullish AF. Look, you got Bing X, you got Google, Solana, Ripple, JP Morgan, Tether, Polkadot, Coinbase, OpenAI, AWS, Shitcoin, BlackRock, Sui. I mean, this is just a list of some of the big partners that are going to be there, guys. And it's even more bullish for ICP because Dom is actually going to be speaking on Chain Fusion, guys. Okay, so make sure that you have all of your timers set. If you want to go, you can go on the Definity X, click on this link. It will take you to Chain Fusion at token 2049, and then you can set your reminders. We're going to do like a big deep dive of everything that's been said in the video next week. So it's on the 19th and 20th, guys. So probably around the 20th to 21st, we'll do like a little review to say, right, this is what happened. Was it a dub? Was it an L? You guys can let me know what you expect him to be talking about. Another dub for ICP. Metapool has now partnered with ICP for liquid staking. What's liquid staking, guys? It basically means your stake is liquid. You can sell it whenever you want. You don't have to have it locked in for a 6-month neuron to a 8-year neuron. Okay, you can pretty much take it out instantly. Obviously, the rewards are going to be a lot less than if you were to stake it long term. But right now, the reward is 21% APY. I think you need a Bitfinity wallet. I'm on Firefox, so I can't connect to that right now, guys, because Chrome is a scam browser. Be careful connecting your MetaMask to Chrome, because I lost about, I think it was this time last year, I lost about 5 ETH. And I really was going to like... Okay, so don't do that. Don't do that at this point of the market. Be careful what sites you are connecting to. And remember, like these staking websites, as much as it's cool and you can earn some extra ICP, I personally don't really stake anything, like even on other things. Maybe I'll have like a small 10% that I will stake, but the majority of my crypto is either in the native wallet or in my ledger or, you know, in a Tracer or something like that, split it between different cold wallets, guys. But again, for all of you who are feeling like you want that extra 20% APY, then you can connect your wallet and get some extra ICP. Pretty cool. Right, for everyone who's FOMOing FET right now, okay, you're FOMOing FET because FET was at 80 cents when we said on the channel to buy it. And you didn't buy it, and now it's up 100%. Look at the FET chart. look at the ICP chart. Pretty much exactly the same, okay? Pretty much exactly the same, breaking out from this massive downtrend that we've been in for 6 months, guys. Okay, this is going to be very powerful. These consolidations downwards are a blessing. Triple bottoms all over the place. The bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. Many of you guys know that already. Looks like the 1618 target is going to be $30. Raise the roof if we get $30. If we get $30, then... Actually, I need to give one of you guys one ICP. I said to one of you guys, I said to all of you guys, someone that comments UPTOBER in tomorrow's post, I will give you one ICP. I'm not looking. Whoever my finger's on there, who's that? Is that an arrow? B-stick. Fuck's sake, B-stick. Did no one say UPTOBER? I'm sure one of you said UPTOBER. Okay, Patrick Donnelly, right? Patrick Donnelly. Telegram, me, your ICP, Addy. Right, congrats, Patrick. Okay, I'm going to try and give you guys, even though it's one ICP. Stingy motherfucker, right? $8.50 is going into your internet identity or whatever wallet you hold it in. But Patrick, if you don't reply by tomorrow's video, I'm going to give it to someone else that replies UPTOBER in today's video. Another reason for us to be bullish, guys. How many months have we now been consolidating above the previous all-time high? Smashing it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really, it's 7, okay, because this was the break above it. But we're in our 7th month above the all-time high. I'm starting to get ants in my pants. I'm starting to feel that little tickle, that little itch to say, oh my god, we're about to pump, guys. Okay, and I know I'm getting a bit excited, but we've been pretty depressed for the past few months, guys. This is super bullish. Liquidity above us. Previous all-time highs below us. Bitcoin dominance about to drop. Let's check that out. It's now the highest we've printed all year. Okay, it's now the highest we've printed since flipping last year. And our altcoins have barely got started, guys. Many of our altcoins are still in their bear market. They've had the little fake rally, and now they're going to have the real rally, guys. Again, we're following gold. Again, we'll be following commodities. We're following the S&P. We're following Bitcoin dominance. We're following the DXY. We're following everything. And everything is starting to tell us, right, it is time for us to get ants in our pants and to really start thinking about, right, get that brain ready to be selling, get that brain ready to just mentally prepare yourself to not be too greedy, because this is where a lot of us are going to make the biggest mistakes, is by being greedy when ICP is at $50 and we said we're going to sell our first batch at $50, but all of a sudden it's going to $500 because the bullish narratives are like through the roof. Okay, so remember, we're sticking to the plan, and I'll make an exit strategy video maybe on Monday. Let me know if you want an exit strategy video. But yeah, look, we're going to check out our trading view. Look where we are. Look where we were. We are here. This is what's to come. Fantastic. We already know what the deal is. Is the altcoin chart showing that? Yes, the fuck it is, guys. We are still holding the higher low. Having that 5th tap on this resistance that we've been in since March. We're about to break out, guys. Very, very soon. We've got 2 weeks left of September, okay? Rectember wasn't too much of a rectember, was it? So is UPTOBER going to be like super UPTOBER? The ICP on the 15-minute chart, we're still pumping, guys. That is fantastic. We're going to be looking at these higher levels at $9. If we can break $9, and we'll start to take some profits at around $10, guys. And this is not taking profits from the spot position. This is taking profits from the leverage position to then put into my spot position to then have a steroids spot position, okay? Super steroid spot position. That's just going to be the short term, guys. Obviously, we're aiming for much higher. You guys saw that the breakout could be around $30. What do you guys think? But right now, I mean, we're holding on to this position. You know, if you got in on the long yesterday when it was around $8.30, do you think we're going higher? Are we going to fail this rally? Let me know in the comments. Boom, but that's it, guys. It is Saturday. I'm going to go and get absolutely hammered. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.